Hello everyone! If you're looking for a way to use up all the scraps you've accumulated through the year, including pieces of batting, this is a low-budget way to use up those scraps to create fun little gifts for friends and family. Once you get your rhythm going, you can complete this project in just about an hour. To begin, get yourself a pile of scraps in some fun coordinating colors. You'll also need two 8" by 8" squares of fabric for your front and backing, and some batting cut to the same size. If you have a high loft batting, you will only need one piece. Otherwise, cut 2 pieces of a low or medium loft batting. If you have some lying around, you can also use the reflective batting that we have used in this project. Cut your scraps into long strips, roughly 1 to 2 inches wide and 7 to 8 inches long. They don't have to be perfect. Next, thread your machine. I'll be using confetti, a 50 weight, 100% Egyptian cotton. This is my preferred thread for the construction of potholders, because not only is it a very low lint thread, cotton will also withstand any temperature you subject it to, so you won't need to worry about the thread being exposed to ovens and stovetops. Place 2 strips right sides together and sew down the length. There is no need to worry about backstitching on the ends. Continue sewing your scraps together in any combination you prefer until you have roughly an 8" by 8" sewn piece. Finger press the seams open or give them a press with a hot iron. Then give the entire piece a press with an iron so it lays flat. We've included a few cute applique designs for you to choose from. These are all downloadable from the description box links. For this potholder, I will be using the candy cane design. Trace the design using a disappearing marker or a piece of tailor's chalk that can be brushed away after. Then cut it out with a pair of sewing scissors. Your candy cane can now be appliqued to the front side of one of your 8" by 8" fabric squares. Pin it to the center with some applique pins. In my machine, I'll be switching out the thread to 2D. It's just like confetti, as it is a low lint 50 weight cotton, but it comes in variegated colors so I can have some fun with the applique. Choose a built-in stitch on your sewing machine, such as a blanket stitch or any of the decorative stitches. Position the presser foot on the edge of the applique, ensuring that the swing of the needle will catch the edge of the applique piece. I recommend a simpler design that doesn't extend too far, so you have more control over your stitching. Applique all the way around the design, going slowly around the curves. Next, take your batting layer and place it on the wrong side of your 8" by 8" applique square. Using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, sew the pieces together all the way around. With a pair of scissors, trim the excess batting up to the stitching line while being careful not to accidentally cut the stitching or the fabric. Now place both 8" squares right sides together. Begin stitching about 1.5 inches to the left of one of the corners, and don't forget to backstitch. Sew around to the other side of the same edge and stop about 1.5 inches away from the 4th corner. And backstitch again. This will leave a few inches wide hole that you can now turn your entire potholder right sides out through. Gently poke out the corners so they're nice and crisp, and press the entire potholder with a hot iron. Thread a hand sewing needle with a knot on one end. Bring the needle up through the back edge of the fabric to hide the knot, and hand stitch the opening shut. As simple as that, you have a beautiful handmade gift for friends, family, or for yourself this coming holiday season. The best part is, it's small enough to use the scraps you already have, so you don't need to hit the stores to buy more material. Let us know in the comment section below if you made this project for yourself, or let us know what type of video you'd like to see next time. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and hit subscribe for more great tips and tutorials. We'll see you all next time.